Hello children, how are you? Now second class mathematics. Which chapter? Subtraction. Subtraction of numbers. Say subtraction spelling children. subtraction. 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 Subtraction of numbers. See this part 3 exercise page number 74. Take out children textbook and pencil. Page number 74. Notebook also afterwards you write. Okay. First of all, read your textbook. Page number 74. See, observe children first of all. Do the subtraction. In subtractions, this way only giving means will solve. Okay. But here, which like given? This like only given. So how to solve these numbers? How to do subtraction? See here. What is this number? 75. In ones place to 5, tens place to 7. This number is 75 minus 29. In which like we given? First you observe ones place numbers. Here 5 having, here 9 having. Direct subtraction is possible? Subtraction is possible as directed? No. So this small number having, this small number having, this big number having. How to do subtraction? So here to here will take borrow. Become 15. Here 6. Understand children? 15 minus 9. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 balls are. So cut how many? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in which place? Ones place. Write in ones place. Don't write in tens place. In which number will we do subtraction now? In ones place number. So we write that answer in ones place only. Okay? Now tens place number will take. Here 1 will borrowing only. One number will subtracting remaining 6. 6 minus 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So subtract 2. Remaining 4. In tens place 46. Understand children? Now here 87 minus 58. 87 minus 58. In tens place 8 having, ones place 7 having. This number tens place 5, ones place 8. So in this first ones place number will check. Okay? Ones place number, the small number having, the big number having. How to do subtraction? So this 7 is small number only. 7 is going away and asking the neighbor home. Which is neighbor home? Tens place number. 7 tens place number what? 8. 8 to asking. 1 10 will give. So 8 only given. Will 10. So here become 17. Here 1 will remove. Subtracting only 8 minus 1. 7 only. So now we will do 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one way. And again that simply way I will explain again. So 8, keep in your mind. Add 8 to count. Okay, 9 to count. Till 7. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So in this place, 1's place only. 7 minus 5. So 5 keep in your mind. Next number 2 will start till which number? 7. 6, 7, 2. Understand, children? Now write this first. Excuse me. Okay, children, are you finishing this? Next, now see question. 83 minus 59. Here also same. The small number having the big number having. So how to solve? There, here to here will borrow will come 13. Here 7. So 13 minus 9. So count. 9 after number 2 will count. Okay. Till 30. 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many? 4 in 1's place. Next, here 8, one borrowing will going only. So 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 5. So same. Count. 5 after 6, 7, 2. 24. Understand, children? Same this one also. 16, 1. In 1's place, 1. In 10's place, 6. 6 in 10's place having 1 in 1's place having. Here 6. 2 is 10's place, 5 is 1's place. This number is 25, this number is 61. But here in 1's place small number having, here big number having. In 10's place this one only big number, this one only small number. So see children here, first of all 1's place number only do subtract. First of which place? 1's place number, this place numbers only will do subtract. Here small having, so we'll take borrow, become 11. Here 5, 11 minus 5. So this counting is confusing. Having means you keep balls or chocolates and lines. Okay. And boxes will draw, nothing much. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 boxes first will draw. Next 5 will cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining how many? Now we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 6 in 1's place. In 10's place there 5 having minus 2. In 10's place we will keep balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why differently write? This is 1's place number, this is 10's place number. Equal symbols the writing means confuse only. So different symbols only. Here 5 minus 2. Remaining 3. 61 minus 25 equals to 36. Understand, children? Now 84 minus 39. In 10's place number is 8. 1's place number is 4. 84 minus 39. Understand? Here also same. 1's place this number will be small having, this number big number having. Subtraction is directly not possible. We take borrow 14. 110 will add in. Understand, children? Don't forget. Here one number will add in is 4 plus 1, 5. Not the plate. So here how much having? 1, 10. 4 plus 10 adding. So 14 only. Understand? Here 1 plus 10 only adding. So here 7. That's why I am saying this is the 10's place, this is the 1's place. You remember it, children? 14 minus 9. So here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So here 7 added. Tens place number 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 cut it. Remaining 4. So 84 minus 39 equals to 45. Understand? Now here 73 minus 26. Here also same. 73 minus 26. See here. 30 bar will come 6. When subtracting only, here 30 minus 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in one's place 7 will remaining and tenth place 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then cut 2. 1, 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand, children? Now how to solve the subtraction in this like will give elements. Understand? Okay. I am explaining this also. You only do that problem. Okay. Try that problem. Here in one's place 2, tens place 6 minus 38. So directly not possible. Here 12. 5. 12 minus 8. Simple numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 to 8. 8 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 place 4. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 30. Remaining 2. 24. 62 minus 38 equals to 24. Understand, children? Same this way, this like only this problem will do. Okay, children? Okay, next class I am explaining next topic. Okay, children, now next one, this one only do. Next one. Third bit 50, 49, 5, 40, 15, 30, 24, 10, 25 is given. This type only given. Observe the grid shown below. Identify pairs of numbers whose difference is 25. Subtract those numbers on the lines given. See here, the given numbers. There to subtraction. Which number will take? Subtract will do. Will come. Which number? Identify pairs of numbers. Pairs of numbers. Two numbers to the differences is 25. In which two numbers to difference is 25 will come. So So here giving one example will given 15 minus 25 equals to 25 only given one example. So next which number to having? Next number 49 will take. 49 minus which number? 24 will take. 24 will take. So here 25 will get or not? Check it once. 9 minus 4. So 4 to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. In one's place 5. 4 minus 2. 4 to subtract. Remaining 2. So 25 only came. Okay. This like pairs numbers will write and do subtraction. Answer is 25. In which number will take? You are wishing these numbers too. In these numbers too, two numbers will take and do subtraction. So, answer is 25. Next, I am taking 30 minus 5. So, here 0 minus 5 not possible. We borrow will come. 10 minus 5, 5, 2. So, this like only remaining problems to we try. Okay, next I am taking another number, 40 minus 50. See here this number also not possible subtraction. Here to here we take 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 only, 3 minus 1, 2. So, this type only will do. So, try these numbers to two numbers will take and subtraction will doing means answer is 25 will come. Okay, any two numbers will take and do. Okay, children? Okay. In next class to explain again next bits. Okay? Okay, children. Write this first of all.